Hey everyone, check out the SRAM X-Sync 2 Eagle 36T Chainring designed for 11 or 12 speed setups. Crafted from CNC-machined 7075 aluminum, it delivers enhanced durability and reliable performance for tough MTB and road rides. The aggressive narrow wide tooth profile with rounded chamfer edges keeps your chain secure, reducing drops and improving pedaling efficiency. This chainring is made specifically for SRAM 12-speed Eagle chains, featuring a 36-tooth count and 100-form 4-bolt BCD for perfect compatibility. With innovative X-Sync 2 technology, it sheds mud effectively, making it ideal for muddy trails and rough off-road conditions. Its sleek black anodized finish resists corrosion and adds a stylish touch to your bike. Upgrade your drivetrain with this lightweight, durable chainring built to perform in demanding cycling environments. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.